Special event day challenge, got R5, Citroen C3 R5. Seems to be the only R5 class of this. Anyways. .82, 439.63 elevation change. Sunset, heavy rain, wet surface, medium gravel.
Starts 30, short 4 left, keep right, good luck. Four, 3, 2, 1, go. 30, short 4 left, keep right to 4 right long, tightens over crest, 40, 3 right long, tightens, into 3 left long, tightens, and keep right, into 6 left, keep right over 50, 3 left over crest, opens past junction, caution, sudden 3 right over crest, 60, don't cut 3 left, 70, early 4 right over crest, cut lane, keep right over 50, short 4 left, small cut, 70, short 6 left, into 4 right, opens long and tightens, into 6 left over small crash jump, 50, keep left of the crest, into 6 right, 6 left, keep right of a long crest, into 5 right, keep in of a crest, tightens, small crest and dip, into 3 left of a crest, slow in 80, downhill, 2 right, don't cut, lead. Caution 1 left, very long, tightens, and keep left, into unseen 1 right, into 6 left, very long, tighten short 3, into caution, 2 right over crest, tightens, 2 left, don't cut, very long, opens, into 2 right, tighten short 1 over crest, into tight 3 left, don't cut, 50, 5 right long, 120, short 3 right, into 4 left tightens, and 3 right over crest, and short 3 left, to jump up, 30, keep left over crest, bump into sun, 5 right tightens, narrow, into flat left, flat right, 100, 6 left, into 6 right, into bump and 6 left, keep right over 100, 6 left into 6 right, caution slow 110, 3 right, tightens over crest, into 6 left long, and tightens over dip, caution, keep right over long crest, path lane, to 6 left, 80, caution 3 right, tightens over crest, 40, caution short 6 left, slow 40, caution 6 left, slow 40, 6 left tightens, hairpin, long and tightens, 43 right long, tightens, hairpin right long, 50, flat right, 60, 4 left, very long over crest, 30, short 5 left, into short 6 right, flat left 60, 4 left long tightens, into 4 right, very long, caution tightens, to short 3 left, keep in, to keep middle of a bump, to 6 right, into short 3 left, 35 right, caution 70, keep right of a bump jump, into 3 left of a bump dip, 60, fast 3 right, opens long, 90, crest, into 3 right, extra long. Into 3 left, over small crest, opens extra long. 170, 6 right of a crest, 70, 6 left of a small crest, opens long, tightens short, 4 left and logs neat. 50, slowing, 4 right tightens, opens 60, turn, 1 right double cut, rocks inside. 100, 5 right, 80, 3 right, tightens past junction, 60, 6 left long, caution, tightens 2 long, opens, keep middle of a small crest, 60, 5 left of a crest, and 5 right, opens 50, 1 right, keep in, extra long, opens past logs, 40, 6 left, tightens into caution, 6 right of a crest, past logs, into 5 left of a small crest, tightens, into 3 right, into sudden, open heavy left, opens 2 long, and 4 left tightens, into 3 right, opens long, past logs, keep left over 100, 1 right, very long, opens and tightens, into 4 left, into 5 right long, tightens over bump, 40, keep left over bump, into 5 left long, opens to keep middle of a small crest, into early short 4 left, 50, 3 right of a crest, 60, 5 left tightens 3, extra long, don't cut, rocks inside, opens long, past junction, 80, keep right of a jump, and 6 right of a jump, and 6 left of a jump, 40, 6 right of a small crest, 100, long pumping crest, caution, sudden short, 3 left, short 3 right, and 3 left long, 40, 6 right long, tightens over bump, into 6 left, 60, keep middle of a jump, 90, keep right of a bump, into short 4 left, into 3 right, very long of a crest, past junction, and 3 left of a crest, keep in, and 4 right, opens very long, into 6 left of a big crest, bump, and 6 left over crest, very long, caution, tightens 3 long, 40, 5 right of a crest, very long, 40, 6 left, very long, tightens, logs, 50, flat right of a small crest, 90, 4 left of a dip, very long, caution, keep middle of a long crest, to 3 right, past junction, logs, opens to 6 right, extra long, tightens neat, log in, 50, short 4 right of a small crest. $60, 34 left, 70, bump, 80, caution, keep left to crest, and 4 right tightens. The 4 left don't cut, logs of a dip. 60, keep right of a small crest, 40, 3 left long, opens, 60, 4 right tightens, 3 of a dip, opens, keep middle of a very long crest, into early 4 left, 60, 4 right long to bumps, 60, 60, early 5 left, keep in, 100, crest, jump, into 6 right, extra long of a crest, opens, 80, 4 right of a bump long, caution tightens 3, very long crest lane, 60, 4 right of a crest long, opens, don't cut logs, 50, 4 left of a crest, caution tightens 2, logs outside, extra long, 40, crest into 6 right tightens 3, And 6 left, opens extra long, 50, caution, 4 right of a crash, jump on tightens. Sudden, 3 left over dip long. 50, keep right of a crest, and 6 left of a crest, opens extra long, tightens 4 of a dip. To keep middle of a crest, a sudden 4 right of a small crest. 60, 5 left tightens. 6 right of a jump past junction. 60, 6 left. 80, keep right of a jump. Into 5 right, very long, tightens 4 long, rocks. To keep middle of a crest and 6 left of a dip. 30, keep right of a crest, needs 40. Caution, 6 left, very long, tightens 4 of a dip. Opens, keep middle of a very big crest. 80, double crest, 50. 3 right, tightens of a crest. 50, 4 left long. 120 over bumps. 6 right, tightens of the finish. 120 to stop.
Goodness. Like. My head hurt. Daily 997. Goodness. 1047. So it says 767. Difference of 0422. Oh my